Hello and welcome. Challenge accepted? 30 questions coming up. What is the body's largest organ? The heart. The skin. The brain. The correct answer is the skin. Impress your friends with this fact: the skin is the largest organ, providing protection for everything inside the body. What part of the body pumps blood? The lungs. The heart. The stomach. The correct answer is the heart. Did you know? The heart is a strong muscle that pumps blood through your circulatory system. Which gas do your lungs take in when you breathe? Carbon dioxide. Oxygen. Nitrogen. The correct answer is oxygen. A quick fact for you: your lungs take in oxygen, which is essential for your body's energy production. What is the hardest substance in the human body? Bone. Tooth enamel. Hair. The correct answer is tooth enamel. Here's a nugget of wisdom: tooth enamel, the outer coating of your teeth, is stronger than any bone. How many bones does an adult human typically have? 206. 106. 300. The correct answer is 206. A quick fact for you: a newborn baby has more bones, but many fuse together, leaving 206 in an adult. Which sense is primarily managed by the nose? Taste. Smell. Touch. The correct answer is smell. Fun fact: your nose contains receptors that detect chemicals in the air, allowing you to smell. What is the job of your red blood cells? To fight germs. To carry oxygen to all the cells. To stop bleeding. The correct answer is to carry oxygen to all the cells. Knowledge boost: red blood cells transport oxygen from your lungs to the rest of your body. What is the central processing unit or control center of your body? The stomach. The brain. The heart. The correct answer is the brain. Knowledge boost: the brain controls all bodily functions, movement, thought, and memory. Which part of the body controls your balance? The eyes. The inner ear. The nose. The correct answer is the inner ear. Here's a nugget of wisdom: the inner ear contains fluid and tiny hairs that send signals to your brain to help maintain balance. What connects muscles to bones? Ligaments. Tendons. Cartilage. The correct answer is tendons. Let's learn something new. Tendons are strong, flexible cords of tissue that attach muscles to bones. What connects two bones together at a joint? Tendons. Ligaments. Muscles. The correct answer is ligaments. Here's a nugget of wisdom. Ligaments are tough bands of connective tissue that hold bones together at joints. Which organ filters waste from the blood and produces urine? The liver. The kidney. The stomach. The correct answer is the kidney. Surprising trivia, the kidneys are vital organs that filter waste products from your blood. What is the name for the tiny air sacs in your lungs where oxygen enters the blood? Capillaries. Alveoli. Bronchi. The correct answer is alveoli. A quick fact for you, alveoli are tiny sacs where gas exchange occurs, bringing oxygen into the blood. What protects your brain from injury? The scalp. The skull. The skin. The correct answer is the skull. Knowledge boost: the skull is a strong bone structure that encases and protects the brain. What is the largest internal organ? The heart. The liver. The lungs. The correct answer is the liver. Fun fact: the liver performs hundreds of essential functions and is the largest solid internal organ. What is the body's natural defense against infection and disease? The digestive system. The immune system. The nervous system. The correct answer is the immune system. Fun fact: the immune system is a network of cells and organs that protects the body from illness. What part of your eye controls how much light enters? The lens. The iris. The retina. The correct answer is the iris. A quick fact for you: the iris is the colored part of the eye that expands and contracts the pupil to control light. Which type of muscle is found in your heart? Skeletal muscle. Cardiac muscle. Smooth muscle. The correct answer is cardiac muscle. Knowledge boost: cardiac muscle is a unique type of muscle found only in the heart. What is the process of food breakdown into nutrients called? Breathing. Digestion. Circulation. The correct answer is digestion. Here's something cool: digestion is the complex process of breaking food down so the body can use it for energy. What is the name for the five senses? Sight, sound, smell, touch, and feeling. Sight, smell, touch, hearing, and balance. Sight, smell, touch, hearing, and taste. The correct answer is sight, smell, touch, hearing, and taste. Did you know? The 5 main senses are sight, smell, touch, hearing, and taste. What component of blood helps your cuts stop bleeding? Red blood cells. White blood cells. Platelets. The correct answer is platelets. Let's learn something new. Platelets are small blood cells that help the blood to clot and stop bleeding. What is the purpose of the spine or backbone? To hold up your head. To provide support and protect the spinal cord. To help you hear. The correct answer is to provide support and protect the spinal cord. Here's a nugget of wisdom. The spine provides the central support structure and protects the nerves that run through it. Which of these protects the lungs? The skull. The rib cage. The pelvis. The correct answer is the rib cage. Surprising trivia, the rib cage is a set of bones that shields the heart and lungs. What is the energy source that your body gets from food? Light. Chemical energy. Heat. The correct answer is chemical energy. Here's a nugget of wisdom. Food stores energy in chemical bonds that are released through digestion. What are the small bumps on your tongue that help you taste? Taste zones. Taste buds. Taste receptors. The correct answer is taste buds. Let's learn something new. Taste buds are sensory organs on the tongue that detect the 5 basic tastes. What is the name for the fluid that helps cushion your joints? Synovial fluid. Tendon fluid. Plasma. The correct answer is synovial fluid. Fun fact, synovial fluid lubricates the joint, reducing friction between the bones. What type of cells make up your nerves? Fat cells. Muscle cells. Nerve cells or neurons. The correct answer is nerve cells or neurons. Here's something cool. Neurons are specialized cells that transmit information throughout the nervous system. What is the job of saliva in your mouth? To make you talk. To start the process of chemical digestion. To keep your mouth dry. The correct answer is to start the process of chemical digestion. Here's something cool. Saliva contains enzymes that begin breaking down food before it reaches the stomach. What is the name for the chamber in the heart that pumps blood out to the rest of the body? Atrium. Ventricle. Aorta. The correct answer is ventricle. Impress your friends with this fact: the ventricles are the lower chambers of the heart that pump blood out. Which mineral is essential for strong bones and teeth? Iron, calcium, sodium. The correct answer is calcium. Here's a nugget of wisdom: calcium is a vital mineral necessary for building and maintaining strong bones and teeth. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and we'll catch you in the next one.